Very exciting. All right, so for the first problem, we have a special guest, the fox, coming all the way from Herd Island or McDonald Island. Let's hear it.
Yeah.
Evening, everybody, wake up. Wake up.
You got this, the fox.
Cool. That was really loud clapping. Okay.
So,
how do we do the first problem, sir?
If f equals 5, so it's 5 to the second power, which is 5 times 5. 25 plus 3.
So hold on. So when we write this down to show our work, we're going to write parentheses. That's how we show our work for substitution. All right. 5 squared means?
25.
5 times 5.
Plus
3. Which makes?
28.
You keep going ahead. 5 times 5 makes?
28.
No, it doesn't. 5 times 5 makes?
Oh, no, 5 times 5 makes 25.
25. Plus 3 equals 28. You're right. You were just going ahead. Okay. All right. Now let's hear it for Zooey Mama. From Diary of a Wimpy Kid, I guess. All right?
You got this.
So...
Not so loud. It might be cool. All right. How do we do this one, sir?
So, the x equals 3, so you're going to want to do 8 times 3.
Right. So I want to put it in parentheses. This is how you show your work. Don't forget. Okay. 8 times 3?
Yeah. And that would equal 24.
I'm going to do the second part, though.
Oh, yeah. 2y, so the y equals negative 2.
Right. So what do I write down?
Wait. Yeah, 2, and then the parentheses.
Don't forget the minus 2.
Yeah, and then negative? Oh,
and
yeah,
then parentheses, negative 2.
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right, now what?
Now you subtract them. Wait. You subtract them?
We need to multiply.
Oh, you need to multiply. Yeah, you have to multiply.
Go ahead, multiply.
Oh, yeah, multiply, and then it equals positive 28.
Show me each part, please.
Oh, yeah.
Multiply.
Okay, so it would be 24.
24. 8 times 3.
Multiply 14. 14?
What's that?
Or 14?
Not 14.
No.
2 times 2.
Oh, positive 4. Positive 4.
Okay, right. And why is it positive? Because we have 2 negatives. Make a positive. Okay, so positive 4 equals 28. There you go. All right, let's hear it for Zooey Mama. Okay, next, let's have a very warm welcome for Alpha King Microwave. I don't know what that means, but that's this next kid's name.
Yay.
All right, sir. Okay, how do we show our work for this, Alpha King? Do you remember?
So you have the 5. You put an arrow to 3x, and you multiply 5 times 3, and that'll be 15, and the x is still there, so you would add that x, and then you would do 5 times 10, and that would be 50, so it's 15x plus 50.
Do we agree?
Yes.
Excellent. Okay, how about the next one?
So you have the negative 4, and you do the arrow to negative 2x, and you do Dorito Man because both of them are negatives.
Right, negatives.
And they equal a positive. So you would get positive 8, and you have the x, so you keep that right there. Then you do the negative 4 times negative 5. You do the Dorito Man, and since it's 2 negatives, it would be a positive, and you'd get plus 20.
All right, are we done?
Yep.
Yes, because we cannot add those two together. X's and the 20. All right. Okay, now we've got Mr. Krabs from Bikini Bottom. Let's hear it for Mr. Krabs. Right. Okay, where do my arrows go?
From the 3 to the x.
From the 3 to the x. Do we agree with that?
Yeah.
That is correct. Okay, 3 to the x and?
To the 5.
And to the negative 5.
The negative.
Okay.
Yeah. Then you multiply 3x,
Mm-hmm.
and you get positive 3x,
Mm-hmm.
and then you multiply the negative 5.
Careful, careful. Hold on a second. Trying to make this 3 look decent. Okay, next.
And then you multiply the negative 5,
Uh-huh.
and you get negative 15.
Very good. You get negative 15.
Yeah.
Are we done?
Yeah.
Yes, we are. Very good. Okay, now everybody was shy to do this next one. So, 1/2 times 4. Well, you could do it the long way. 1/2 times 4 over 1 equals 4 divided by 2 equals 2. We did a lot of fractions this year. So you could go back to the long way, or you could just think, what's half of 4? And what's half of 10? So that makes 2x and 5. Okay? Alright, 7 and 8. People are also shy on that one. Why isn't it moving down? It's not moving down. People are also shy on this one. 7 and 5, we don't need good guys, bad guys, because they're both positive. That makes 12 of them. Now we need to do good guys, bad guys for 9 and negative 6. Who wins? Good guys by 3. Okay, we could factor that one, couldn't we? But we're not supposed to. They didn't ask us to. Alright, let's change colors, shall we? Okay, so we need a good guys, bad guys for that one. So good guys win by 5, right? So positive 5y. Let's change colors. Why not? Why not? Okay, we need another good guys, bad guys. I've got 8 and negative 10. Bad guys win. No! So 5y minus 2. Are we done? Yes, because we can't add those together. Any questions, any questions, any questions, any questions, any questions, any questions? No? All right. Okay, now we have a very special guest coming all the way from the classroom. It is Snoopy. Okay. All right, Snoopy, how do we do the factoring here?
So we had to divide both of the factors by 4.
By 4?
Yes.
Okay, correct. So what do I write?
8 divided by 4 equals 2x.
Okay, so I just write 2x?
Yeah.
Don't forget, what do I need to write? Remember, we need to go back, right? We need to have an answer that looks something like this, right? Something before the parentheses.
Oh.
Don't forget that. Okay, so what do I write?
4.
Right. 4 and?
Parentheses.
Yes, there you go. 4 parentheses. All right. Careful, don't forget that. Okay, so now we divide it by 4. We get 2x. What else?
And then 12 divided by 4 is 3.
Mm-hmm. Are we done? Yep. Okay, next one.
You put a 7, negative 7.
Negative 7. Do we agree with that, everybody?
Yes.
Yes.
Then parentheses.
Mm-hmm.
And then 21 divided by 7 is 3.
So positive 3 because
Yeah.
we're doing negative divided by a positive. Oh, I said it wrong, didn't I? Negative divided by a negative, excuse me, makes a positive. So negative 21 divided by negative 7. So positive 3x.
And then negative 7 divided by negative 14 would be...
Or well, you're saying it backwards. Negative 14 divided by negative 7.
Would be positive 2.
Okay, do we agree with that?
Yes, sir.
All right, we are done. Let's hear it. Go class. All right, we're done. And we're out of here.